Abeg oh, come and watch Ginger oh, I'm bleeding.
Give me the ginger. Give me the ginger. You already know what time it is. World Ginger Day. AK Media is here live at the premiere of Ginger, and we're going to be bringing you live updates. Stay tuned. Hi, good evening.
Good
You look so
evening.
wonderful.
Thank you. You're too kind. Thank you.
So I have a day sweat on me Wellington.
Correct.
Tonight. How do you feel on a scale of 1 to 100?
150.
Okay, yeah, Ginger! Yeah! Yeah, so when you heard Power Men coming together to produce a movie, what came to mind?
I thought it was wonderful. I think it's a very powerful move. I think it speaks to the power of collaboration, and I'd like to see more of it in the industry. So kudos to these ladies. You guys have done a very fantastic thing, and I am very, very proud of you.
So we've not seen Adeswa on screen in a while. What's the reason for that?
I've been mothering. As you know, I just had a baby last year. My baby is not even 1 yet, so I'm taking my time. We're looking after my kids and spending time with my kids. I can't get the time with them back. I can always make a movie again. I can always build a career, but the time that I have with them, once certain things go by, they're gone. So right now they're my priority, but I am working on a few special things, so I will be back soon.
So how soon should we be expecting Adeswa?
I'm not letting you know. Keep your eyes out, keep your ears open. Soon.
Okay, so what are you wearing tonight?
I am wearing Juliet Peters. Very fashionable. She's very, very, very gifted. So yeah.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Ginger,
How are you?
Ginger,
Good.
Ginger, Look, you so ginger, you look so wonderful, man.
Thank you so much.
Do
Thanks
a
so
quick
much.
360 for the camera. Okay. What are you wearing tonight?
Well, I'm wearing hold on a sec. What's that? Soft. Yes. I'm wearing soft AVI. Yes.
Okay, so how does it feel finally putting this movie out for the audience to watch?
Listen, it feels so good. You know when you're holding something so good and you've been waiting to just put it out there and you eventually do it. That's how great and that's how I feel right now.
So the experience working with Bisola, Wunmi, and Bolaji Ogunmola.
It's been great. These are women that I've worked with at different points in life. So collaboration was very simple. It wasn't new to me. They were not strange to me. They were just like, people that I've known from afar. I just got the opportunity to come closer and it was great.
So if you could do this again, would you do it next time?
I will give you Ginger 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, see more.
Okay. Good evening. I'm here with.
Damilola Oni, Damilola Oni.
You look so great tonight.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Ginger.
Ginger.
Okay, so how do you feel to be here tonight?
I feel so elated. I'm happy, especially for the women of Nollywood doing big things. So it's a very great day. I feel good.
When you heard how women coming together, did you have any controversial thoughts in your mind, or you're so positive about the movie being a success?
These 4 women, I know them, and I know them for excellence. I know them for phenomenal performance. I know them for acting, impeccable acting. So when I see that the 4 of them are coming together, I'm like, no, it is about to be a banger, because these 4 fantastic 4, yes, you can say that.
Okay, give
Yeah.
me the ginger, give me the ginger, give me the ginger, give me the ginger. It's okay.
Good evening.
You're gingered up for tonight.
I am.
Quick 360.
Quick 360.
Yeah.
Quick 360.
All right. Yeah. Wow. You look so gorgeous.
Thank you very much.
What are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Summer by Summer. She made me this lovely deconstructed suit dress. She's the designer, so I just told her this was the theme. This is what I wanted to stand out, and she said, sis, I got you, and here I am today.
Okay, so finally the movie is out. How do you feel?
I'm nervous, excited, happy. All the entire range of emotions. That's how I'm feeling right now. Yeah.
Okay, so how was the filming process for you?
Was fantastic, was amazing. I do it all over again. Wunmi, talented. Bolaji, super talented. KieKie, super talented. Uncle Odum, Macaroni, oh my gosh. Everybody, Kamo State, everyone that has put it. Auntie Shafi, Timini Egberson, oh Lord. It's too much. Everybody brought
their A game to this, and I'm very happy.
Okay, give me the ginger. Give me the ginger. You look so wonderful tonight.
Thank you.
Gorgeous.
Thank you. It's ginger season.
Yes, we're ginger for tonight. Okay, but when you heard four women producing a movie, what came to your mind?
I was super excited because these are four brilliant minds coming together to make a movie, and that's exactly what we are preaching in this generation: collaboration over competition. And nothing is as powerful as brilliant heads coming together to do something amazing. So I'm thrilled, and I'm expecting to be flabbergasted.
Should we be expecting a movie from Jumoke very soon?
Yeah, very soon, very soon, very soon. Okay, maybe we should talk about, if you are saying should we be expecting a movie, maybe we can talk about the scale, because for now you can go on my YouTube channels and see my YouTube channel and see some of my movies. But if you're talking about that scale, that cinema scale, yes, definitely.
So wonderful to have you here today. You look so gorgeous, ma.
Thank you.
Okay, so are you ready to be ginger tonight?
Of course, now ginger, oh, ginger, oh, ginger.
Okay. So what do you think about the movie Ginger? I mean, four women coming together to produce one movie.
It's not easy. It's not easy. I've said it earlier. It's not easy for women. You know how women used to do. So it's not easy. Putting their money in the same purse. It's not easy. So I know it's going to be a fantastic film. It's going to be a fantastic movie because I've worked with them before. They are nice people and they know what they are doing. You understand? You've seen Wunmi Toriola in so many movies on YouTube. She produced this her first film. I've forgotten the name of Jennifer. I've forgotten the name of her first film. So the film is very nice, and you know she doesn't take no for an answer. She's a go-getter, and KieKie too, and Bolaji, Bisola, everyone of them. So we all know that the film is going to be fun. It's going to be nice.
So how do you feel to be at the premiere of Ginger today?
I give thanks to God. I give thanks to God. I give thanks to God. Oluwa Sheun.
Is there everybody at home to come and watch Ginger?
I beg oh, come and watch Ginger. Oh, I'm bleeding. A friend of mine will say I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Sorry, I'm pleading to you guys. Come and watch Ginger. Oh. And I know when you watch it, you're gonna love it. Thank you so much. I love you.
I feel amazing. I feel great. I feel honored to be here.
So when you heard four women coming together to produce a movie, what came to your mind?
I was like, "Ooh, I've never seen such kind before," and I believe that today is going to be crazy. Seeing four women produce something amazing.
So are you gingered up for tonight?
I'm extremely gingered out.
Yay! So there's someone you're looking forward to see tonight?
I'm looking forward to see great acting, like great performance from the four amazing women. Yeah.
So, is there a particular actor you are rooting for tonight?
I'm waiting for all of them. All of them.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Okay, it feels so good to be here tonight.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Tell us a quick, describe your character in 3 words.
Bulgari is sexy, strong, and I think very passionate person. That's what I would say about Bulgari.
Okay, so was it on the set of Ginger?
Working on the set, I mean, being a producer and executive producer, it was very fun. You know, we planned the entire thing together, so it was smooth because we knew exactly what we wanted to do with this film. Yeah.
You look so wonderful.
Thank
tonight,
you
by
very
the way.
much. Thank you
okay,
very much.
please, one word to the audience on what to expect from Ginger.
It's a buffet, like I said. You will have our body, shaki, everything. You will laugh, you will cry, you will smile, you will fight somebody, you will come out of the cinema full. It's an experience, like I've said before.
Did you face any challenge on the set of Ginger?
No, not at all. Not at all. Like I said, we came prepared. I mean, the global usual challenges of weather, of life, you know, it's okay, but it was an easy ride.
I'm gingered. You cannot see Bisola, you cannot see Wunmi Toriola, you cannot see KieKie, and not be gingered. That's enemy of peace. They are chaotic, they are crazy, and they are very talented. So I'm gingered, I'm energetic to come out to support them tonight. And Bolaji Ogunmola is an amazing person.
Okay, so how does it feel to see four women coming together to produce a movie? What came to mind? How do you feel about
I
it?
love the fact that they are beating the allegation that women don't support themselves, women don't like to see other women rights. I like the fact that they are like trailblazers, setting examples for people that are coming behind them. So I like the fact that women, not just one, not just two, not just three, 4 of them came together to be. Know that normally they say Arometa with a double. So now Aromeni. So I believe that they will do something even better than what people do normally.
Have you seen the movie trailer?
Yes.
So what part will hook you?
See, every part of that movie trailer excites me. The fact that four of them are even doing that together alone is enough for me, and I'm here to see it all tonight.
You look wonderful tonight.
Thank you so much.
You give me
Always.
4 + 4 minus nothing.
Period.
Yeah, ginger was nice. So you're ready. Pack it.
Don't worry.
Yeah. So
I love your energy.
thank you very much. Can you introduce yourself to the audience?
My name is Simine Busen, and I play a character of Golden Boy in the movie Ginger.
So how was you on the set of Ginger?
It was fantastic. It was fantastic. Every day was a great day. You know, Wunmi, Bimbo. Bimbo is always on my mind. Wunmi, Bisola, Bolaji, KieKie. They all made it very comfortable. You know, when actors step into that producer booth, they kind of take the welfare of actors a lot more seriously. So it was just great. It didn't really feel like work. I was so excited to be there.
So if you could play another role in Ginger, what character would it be and why?
If I could play another role in Ginger, bruh, I can't really think about it right now, to be honest. Let me get back to you on that one.
So when you heard 4 women are producing this movie, what came to your mind?
I was just happy, you know, and I like the fact that, like, I believe that women do most things better. Let's not even cap, like, you understand. So I was really happy, and that these 4 women are just not normal women. They are extraordinary women that were bringing different types of flavors to this dish. I'm really, really excited, and I hope that we enjoy what we watch.
I'm happy about it. I'm excited that women could come together to create something beautiful, and that's why I'm here tonight.
So this one you're particularly rooting for tonight?
I'm rooting for the 4 of them: Wunmi, Toriola, Bisola, KieKie, and Bolaji Ogunmola.
Okay. Auntie Anike, about to walk in your married
Hey, Mamba, Aiyeola.
The ginger, give me the ginger, give me the ginger. Okay, so what do you feel about Ginger?
I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I know that I trust these 4 women so much to give us amazing content, to give us amazing films, to give us amazing things all in all, fashion, everything. And I can't wait to see what they've created. And I'm so proud that they could actually come together and say, you know what, let's make a film. Let's make a film together and let's show people that we can do this. Because I'm a big preacher of collaboration in Nollywood. Like I collaborated with Ant Hill Studios for my Mother is a Witch, my movie that was in cinema. And so I can't wait to see what Ginger is. And the cast list, have you seen the cast list? No, I'm excited. I'm excited.
If Ginger could be a food to you, what food would it be?
If Ginger could be starch and banga soup.
Okay.
That's Ginger's
You look so wonderful tonight.
Thank you very much. Don't whine me, oh. Don't whine. Are you sure?
Ginger, you were even with the Ginger. Okay. So you're ready for tonight. Can you tell us a little about your character in Ginger?
No, I didn't. I'm not in this film, oh. See now. But my people are in the film, so yeah.
So what are you expecting tonight?
Everybody, to be honest, the cast ensemble is great, and everybody are people that are my people. So I'm looking forward to seeing everyone.
So like, what are you expecting to see in the movie tonight?
Amazing stuff. To be honest, the title doesn't give away a lot, but I know that, you know, with the combination of those 4 heavyweights, it's going to be an amazing movie.
All right, thank you very much. Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
You look so gorgeous.
Thank you.
What are you wearing?
Fashion envy by my friend from Yawelewa.
That's very nice. You look so beautiful. How are you doing this evening?
I'm great.
So what do you think about Ginger?
Ginger is ginger because everybody needs to be ginger in this country.
I can see you're ginger. Are you ready for the movie?
Of course, yes, I have.
So what do you expect tonight?
I expect the best from the 4 ladies on it because they are full of ginger on the normal day behind camera, not to talk of when they are facing camera. So I expect the best from them.
Hi, good evening. How are you doing this evening?
I'm fine. How are
Give
you?
me the ginger. Give me the ginger. Give me the ginger. Okay, so you're gingered up for tonight.
I'm gingered up. I'm excited.
I'm a big fan of Jay on air. Give us small Jay on air.
Small what do you want me to do? I'm out here. I'm excited. Let's have a good time. Let's go. Let's go.
Office content.
I mean, you have to go to my Instagram to find that to see it well. But I'm excited to be here.
I'm a big fan of Jay on air. So what do you think about Ginger?
I mean, I'm excited. Fantastic women coming together to give us a blockbuster movie. I'm excited to also be hosting the premiere tonight. So I'm just here to have a good time and to support my sisters in the industry, really.
Okay, so when you heard Ginger, what motivated you to key into that?
To be honest, all of them. To be honest, Bolaji is my girl, KieKie is my girl, Bisola is my girl, love Wunmi Toriola. So I just saw all of them are here. I have to support. I have to be here. So I mean, that's it, really.
So
Yeah.
what should the audience be expecting tonight?
Expect to be gingered when this movie is out on the 26th. You have to go watch. But more than that, this premiere is going to give you looks. It's going to give you fashions. Have you seen on Instagram? Everybody's already dropping their looks. I'm just excited to
Yes, I mean, you look so gingered up tonight. Hello, good evening. You look so gorgeous.
Thank you. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. So gingered for tonight.
I am
Give us a quick-
gingered.
Just give us a quick
360. Okay.
Yes, please. Okay, you're so gingered up for tonight.
I am actually.
Who are you most anticipating tonight?
I am here to root for these four amazing women, but mostly Bisola Aiyeola and KieKie.
Okay, so like, what do you think about four women coming together to make this movie?
I think it's amazing. I think it speaks to the fact that a lot of people have the opinion that women cannot come together to do great things. Now you can see what happens. Women can actually come together to do great things. Oh, women don't like to work together. They compete with each other. No, these are four powerhouses coming together to do something amazing, and I'm rooting for them all the way.
Hi, good evening. I'm here with Juliana.
Hi, good evening.
Toya, baby.
Hi, sia.
You're all gingered for the night.
I am.
You look so gorgeous.
Thank you.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Bura Fadaka.
Okay, so how do you feel to be at the premiere of Ginger?
I'm gingered, honestly, because I'm gingered by all four women coming together to do this. So yeah, shout out to them.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
What do we have here today?
Yeah, my name is Olalekon Isiaka, aka Swanky.
Okay, Ginger. So are you a cast of Ginger?
Yeah, no, I'm the art director for Ginger.
Wow. So what should we be expecting tonight from Ginger?
You'll be gingered.
Okay. So
That's it.
how was you working on the set of Ginger? I mean, working with four great women in the industry.
Yeah, it was amazing. It was challenging for me, but we're able to scale through. Understanding the script. I think the whole thing started with the script. When I got the script, we read it. I put a call through the director. Like, bro, what's up? What's your idea? What are your ideas? What are your visions? Expectations for this job? And we're able to align our thoughts creatively, and we have what we have today.
That's very good. So how does it feel watching this film for the first time with an audience?
I'm going to watch with an audience, so I'm in anticipation, But I know it's something that we'll receive. We'll all receive it, yeah, because every scene, the whole scene speaks to one thing or the other, something we can relate with, and it's going to blow your mind. Seriously, you are going to be gingered, yeah.
What are you most gingered about tonight?
Yeah, seeing people come out to watch our film.
I'm here with Sophia Lakija, Nigeria's Oyinbo. How does it feel to be on Ginger's premiere tonight?
Oh, I feel very gingered. I feel very nice. I can't wait to see the movie. I'm excited.
So is there any particular actor you are rooting for tonight?
Oh, everyone!
So when you heard four women coming together to produce a movie, what came to your mind? What did you have to feel about it?
I felt very proud and very inspired. It's a very inspiring thing to do, and it's going to encourage more women to do more things like this. I love it.
Are you ready for the Ginger tonight?
Yeah, absolutely. I can't wait. Yes.
Ginger. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Simi Dre. I'm an actor and a media personality.
You look so wonderful tonight.
Thank you so much.
What are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing a suit by Mimi Kasu, and this fur is actually from my grandmother's closet. She's such a babe.
That's very nice. So how do you feel to be on Ginger's premiere tonight?
I am so excited to be here on the carpet of Ginger. I mean, four incredible women came together to do this film, and I'm super excited to watch it.
And you're looking so ginger, plus or minus nothing. You look so wonderful.
I love that, plus or minus nothing.
Yeah. Hi, good evening, Softy.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm fine. You look so great tonight.
Thank you, you too.
Are you gingered up for tonight?
Yeah, I'm ginger.
Give me the ginger. Give me the ginger. Give me the ginger. Okay. How do you feel to be here live at the premiere of Ginger?
I feel ginger, first of all. I feel good. The lineup of the cast, the actresses, they are exceptional actresses that have been inspiring the younger generation for a long while now. So, yeah.
So is there someone you're particularly rooting for tonight?
KieKie,
Why is that?
because she's a very, very exceptional human being at first. Then, when it comes to her craft, being an actress, she's also exceptional.
So what are you expecting tonight?
Man, the best. The lineup is really crazy. I won't lie. So yeah, the best.
Good evening. We're here with your boy Vina. You look so good tonight.
Thank you. You look beautiful. Your smile is amazing.
Thank you very much. So, sorry. What are you expecting from this movie tonight?
I expect action. I expect feistiness. I expect ginger by the title. That's all I expect. I mean, it's KieKie. What do you expect?
Okay, so by what you said, I can tell that you particularly rooting for KieKie tonight.
Yeah, I'm rooting for KieKie.
So when you had four women coming together to produce a movie, what came to your mind?
I mean, women are naturally powerful, so and to have four beautiful women come together to create a beautiful movie, what do you expect? Fire.
Yes, of course,
Yeah. And some moral lesson as well, because women love to preach moral lessons, so I'm willing to watch that.
Wunmi Toriola sadly is not in the country, but she's going to be back next week, and you're going to be seeing her at our meet and greet. Thank you, Wunmi. I also want to say a big thank you to KieKie. Also, my EP. I want to say a big thank you to myself as well, as you know, I'm one of the executive producers on this. And lastly, I want to say a big thank you to the woman who thought this up and thought that all of us women should come together to create a wonderful movie. And here we are. Ladies and gentlemen, can we give it up to the brain behind this, Bolaji Ogunmola. Can we give it up for Bolaji, guys? She came up with the story idea, and our awesome writer, Xavier Igoroji, tore the story all up. He tore the story all up. So Xavier, I know you're not here today, but thank you so much. Now guys, what you have seen on screen today is the brilliance of the one, the only, Yemi Film Look, and of course we couldn't do this without the amazing cast, Uncle Odulade, Auntie Shafi, Macaroni, Latif, Kamo State, Uncle Ogogo, who else have I now? Auntie Fenia Balogun, Mama No Network, Timini! Only my selected because of Triple J crew. I can't thank you guys enough. Latif, thank you so much. You want to only Rabi? Thank you so much. And the amazing crew from every department, the set design, lights department, Sway, Mr. Leko, our editors, thank you so much. Costume, makeup, our producer, Onyeka. This was the first time out. Our producer, Onyeka. Man, we had so many things that went on during this thing. Bolaji had a near fatal accident, but you know, we survived and we're here today. Onyeka lost her mom recently, so please, if you still see her, give her a big hug. But still, we were able to make Ginger. Now it is coming out in cinema on the 26th of September. 26th of September, next Friday, guys. Please go out, tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends to come out and watch in cinemas. Let them come out, enjoy themselves, have a great time. Please watch over and over and over again. Thank you all so much for coming out. Thank you all so much for staying. My name is Bisola Aiyeola. I'm going to hand over to one of my EPs. Who wants to talk again? Well, you said almost everything. Thank you so much, guys, for coming out. Most importantly, I know that you've taken out, you know, a very tiny piece of your very busy schedule, and would love that you please share the word via a tweet, via a post on Instagram. We need all the support that we can get, and we cannot do this alone. We fully acknowledge that. We need you guys to please help us spread the word, say it to your friends, tweet about it, and please, you can sponsor us for meet and greet. Give us money for tickets so that we can carry your pass to go and watch the show. One more time, a big thank you to all the amazing cast on this job. We couldn't have done it alone, and the crew as well. And I personally want to say a very big thank you to our lead cast, because we had such a great film with a great story. But you guys made a great film out of it. Thank you so much. And we are thanking them so much because while we were filming this, these actors gave us love, commitment, and passion. And that was what we watched now. So thank you, Timini. Thank you, Obodo. Thank you, Latif. Thank you, Kamo. Thank you, Lizzie, and Tishapi, Ugugu. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I want to say a big thank you to our premier sponsors. Yes, Zephan Zanko, GAC Motors, Amatem, Golden Penny Maltina, and of course George Residences. Thank you all so much. Bolaji, any word?
Please, please, please go and see the film. Tell somebody about it. And to our industry, collaboration is important. We can't do it alone. And most importantly, thank you to these women. Bisola, you said cast yet. KieKie, you just said, when are we shooting? God bless you guys. And Wunmi, thank you so much.
Please make sure you tweet about the movie, take pictures, spread the word. It's not enough to come out tonight. We have to show love to this movie. So please shift back as the cast and crew hold hands together and take a bow. Can we shift back for a second so we can have this proper picture for our bloods and all of that. So once I say ginger, our cast and crew can take a bow. Are you ready? Is there anybody that you want to be here that's not here? That you want to show face? Uncle Duke, if you want to here, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Please, Rafiki, please don't go yet. Alright, let's do this. Once we say ginger, take as many videos and pictures the cast and crew will take about. Are we good to go? 1, 2, ready, go! Ginger! Thank you so much. Out in cinema September 26th. Tell someone to tell someone. Make sure you go see. Good night. Let's give way, please.
Lójú tí rárá lójú wọn la máa kọ́ ẹgbẹ́ ní kọ́ o.
Don't do it. Congratulations.
Now we are looking for you here. Show your face.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I'm so proud of you guys.
Bro, pushing. Videographer, please let that guy pass through now. Let's go.
Guys, please watch our film. Oh,
Watch
Ginger.
Thank you so much. After Paris,
Myself go press for sure. I be the new thing what it is on me. What take a tick is on me. I know it's on me. I'm 19 million on me. Hey Jack, what's for me Jack? I fashion Jack. People make it shit so. Hey Jack, we need your Jack. Should they be your pass? Make it shit so. Ejago, Ogaso lóní bàtà, CEO Àpàsọ̀tì, ọmọ tàbí ìlú gangan, wọ́n dá mọ́ lókè kòtò, àtọ́bàjẹ́ wọn mọ́ níkà, ojú ìrìnfẹ́ sinimá,